Good evening. It's not easy being a vampire these days. Used to be I could easily pop in for a quick bite. But after all of these new romantic vampire books, movies, and TV shows, expectations, shall we say, have been raised. Oi, 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 oi. What's a poor bloodsucker to do? If I wasn't dead already, this would surely kill me. Oh, after all, I'm no George Clooney or Brad Pitt. Have mercy. Oh well, a vampire has got to do what a vampire has got to do. Yay, yay, yay. Mama never said there'd be days like these. Give me strength. You're welcome.